How to add Instagram link to Facebook profile. Open the Instagram app on a device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the Share Profile option. Then select Copy Link. Now open the Facebook app on a device. Tap on your profile, which is located at the top left corner. After that, select Edit Profile. Scroll down to find the Contact Info section. In this section, tap on Social Media. Then tap on the Add button. A list of social media platforms will appear. Choose Instagram. Paste the link you copied earlier on the text box. Tap on the Next button in the top right corner. Finally, tap on Save. And that's how you can add Instagram link to Facebook profile.